Hi, brand new box just arrived. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, this is, as you can see, Mamibot eyeglass bot robot window cleaner W120. Disclaimer, I would have never buy this shit unless, of course, I got it for free, and this is why I have it. I bought a refrigerator and I got this for free. This was part of the deal. So let's see what it looks like. How to open this box. How to open this box. How to open it. It looks like it should go out from here somehow. Don't want to tear it, but probably I don't have any other choice. Okay, let's open it. So this is the best way to open it. Blah blah blah. The box. Okay, so this is the box. Wow. A power supply, a power cord. I don't know what do they need this for. This is just looks like a rope, something strange. A remote control. A remote control that arrived with it. What other things? This is some kind of it looks like a soft brush, a cleaner, glass clean solution, another kind of soft brush, a manual, and a robot. Robot with a manual. Okay, it's look brand new. It should do some kind, of course, of vacuum in order not to fall out of the window. So probably this is the vacuum that caused it, and probably the brush should be catch somehow. Maybe this is magnetic. I'm curious, so I need to open one. In a second, it's hard to open it. It's not a heavy stuff. It's weight about less than maybe 300 or 400 grams. There is a cord to connect. There is probably a button to start it, and that's all. There's some motor here that probably guide it how not to fall out. And again, let's open this kind of brushes, soft brush or soft clothes or whatever it is. Okay, so this is just connected with a scotch. The scotch catch it on its place. Okay, so this is the scotch, and probably you have to fill a cleaner. This is the glass cleaner. Probably some perfect solution to clean it, and that's all. The cord, of course, should be long enough, because as I understand, it should be connected all the time, and not just that it is connected. There is a secure screw. Yes, this you connect and then you secure it with this screw somehow. Yes, so it do catch it pretty well. And the other side is also cord is connected to its power supply. I think they also have a battery inside. Let's see. Probably the battery is now discharged, fully discharged. Okay, and there is another part of the cord that is connected with another screw in order to secure it, because it is moving and you don't want the power to stop while it is on the window, because if this will happen, so boom, you will have it on your head or something. So also, if you have some electricity fall during the process of the cleaning, this is not a very good idea. And also there is a manual. Let's see, let's try to read it carefully to see what are the instructions. So I will translate it quickly. So high voltage, read all the instruction, power supply. Okay, so it has lithium batteries inside. And there is an Android or iOS system that you can download. There is a remote, there is a power button, there is, okay, so connect the power supply, connect the cable, connect everything, connect. So push the pad to the side, we already done it, and be careful not to cover all the moving parts and the sensors. Apply 5 times on the pad and then connect it and start to work. Press 2 seconds on the power supply continuously, and that's all. So I will try and see if it do work something or it is just a good gimmick. Thank you for now and bye.